In this guide, we're going over how to get the 0 point sprite in Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 3 locations. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get this 0 point sprite here in Fortnite, you're going to need to search Sprite chest. The best way to find it is by opening up as many sprite chests as possible during your matches. The 0 point sprite does not seem to have one guaranteed spawn location, so there's no instant way to get it. Instead, you just need to keep checking areas where the sprite chest can appear. Once you find that sprite chest, open it, see if you get that 0 point sprite. The chances are pretty low, so you're probably going to need to try this across multiple matches. Just keep landing near sprite locations, open as many as you can, and eventually you may find the 0 point sprite. That's really the only method. People are going to make like 10-minute videos trying to explain a specific locations. There's not a specific location. You just have to open up sprite chest. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.